Wondering how to adjust the clutch of a car, I'm just gonna show you that. So this is my Maruthi Suzuki Baleno. So as you can see, there's a lot of play actually that's come off in the clutch pedal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust it. So for that, first you just need to open the bonnet. After you open the bonnet, you can see that there's a nut over here. So be careful putting your hand down there. Okay. So when you're adjusting the clutch, make sure you carefully put your hand down, so these radiator fans can scratch you. So as you can see here, that is the clutch's nut. Just twist it a bit like this, the plastic part, and then as you can see, there's too much of play, so just rotate it so that you tighten the clutch. Take it out. Okay. So that's good enough play. So what I'm going to do now is just going to recheck it once. That's tight, and then that's about it. That's how you adjust your clutch. Thanks for watching.